I'm Jessica, and today I would like to introduce the Steel Plate Belt with the Gooseneck Design. And the customers will set up a platform under the lower parts for operations. And the operators will break the shells onto the die casting, and the broken shells will fall into the conveyor and be transported upwards for recycling in the bulk bags. Since the size of the shells varies, and the particles and the powder will fall into the machine, therefore, we design a cleaning hole for easy access when the customer performs regulations maintenance on the conveyor. The conveyor will increase productivity and the shell processing efficiency while reducing the labor and the time costs. So, let us know if you have any questions.